Hey, welcome to my channel Faisal Zip. I hope that you are well. In the last video, I have covered how to use method reference to implement functional interface. And we have two ways to do this. If we have a static method, we have some syntax. If we have an instance method, we use another syntax. I will make a summary of that when we finish the video. Also, we can implement functional interface using Constructor Reference. Okay, it is the same thing, it is an alternative of using a lambda expression. Now, how to do this? I will show you by example. So I suppose I have this class, my class, it contains a constructor, my class, curly brackets, system.println, return the object, my class. Simple. Okay? After this, I have this interface, my interface. It contains only one abstract method, and it is public. Return type is my class with method get, without any argument. Now we'll create class test with main method. Here what I will do. I will do this with lambda expression. Okay? Now we don't use previous version of Java. Now it's lambda expression, likely. So if I want to implement my interface with lambda expression, how to do this? My interface E equal, I don't have argument, so parentheses, without anything. Simple arrow. I open curly brackets. My class C equal new my class. Create a new object, and after this I will do return C. Okay? I close my curly brackets. Now what I will do, E dot get to call the method. Okay, this is the implementation using lambda expression. It's simple. Now I will do the same thing. I will implement function interface using constructor reference. Now, how to do this? I have the constructor of my class, but when I create my interface E, here what I will do, here I will use the constructor reference. Of course, I suppose that my method, as I said, exists. The implementation of get exists in here in constructor, or in the previous, or in the instance class or static method of the class here. But in this case, it exists in the constructor, the implementation. So I can refer to this constructor. How to do this? The syntax here is the class name. So my interface E equal to class name. What is the class name? It is my class. Double colon. Okay? After this, we put new semicolon. It is so simple like this. Okay? If you use constructor reference, the syntax will be class name, double colon, new. Now, how to call get method? Same thing, E dot get. Okay? But remember, always we have the constraint. The constraint is the argument type must be the same. As you can see, for the constructor, I don't have any argument, and for the get method, I don't have any argument. So this constraint is very important. Don't forget this constraint, please. Okay? So I will execute this code in the computer. I will come back to continue, inshallah, the video. Let's go. So here I have created my interface with method get that return my class, and here is my class with only one constructor. Okay, so the goal is to use this constructor for constructor reference. So here is my test class, and now I will create my interface E equal, here what I will do, the name of the class, it is my class. Okay, my class, double colon, and here what I put, new. It means I refer to the constructor of my class, this one. And now to test this, I will do e.get. Okay, let's see the result. Oops, I don't get nothing. I don't know. Oops. Good. I don't know where it is long. So here is the result. Do you see? Constructor to return new object. Work perfectly. Let's continue now. So let's make now the summary about this double colon. Now we use this double colon for two things. Of course, to implement our interface, function interface, by method reference or constructor reference. For method reference, we have two things also. If our method is static, the syntax will be class name, double colon, method name. If it is non-static, means it is an instance of the class, instance method. Here, the syntax will be, what will be here, object instance, double colon, method name. Now for constructor reference. Here the syntax will be the class name, double colon, new. Okay? So remember, the double colon for method reference or constructor reference is an alternative about lambda expression. Okay? For lambda expression. And also, the big advantage is the code reusability. Okay? We don't write something that exists in some method here. But remember the constraint. Always remember the constraint. The argument type must be the same. It match between them. Okay? So I have finished this chapter about double colon with method reference and constructor reference. And I will start inshallah a new important also topic in next video inshallah with this new feature on Java 1.8. Until this moment, I recommend you, if you don't understand, see again this 3 video about method reference and constructor reference to understand very well the concept before to continue. Please don't jump to the another step if you don't understand the previous concept. It's very, very important. Okay? If that's the case, you will just add another worse thing for you. Okay? Don't add something if you don't understand the previous. Remember this. Remember. Understand before to continue. And to understand, practice. Okay? So see you inshallah to the next video. And at this moment, like it, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.